Reasons why Shahid Kapoor and Priyanka Chopra ended their relationship. Priyanka Chopra and Shahid Kapoor, both these stars, are now happily married in their respective lives. On one hand, Priyanka is happy in her conjugal life with Nick, and on the other hand, Shahid is leading a happy life with Meera and 2 kids. But there was a time when these two Bollywood stars were making headlines because of their ongoing affair. After his breakup with Bollywood actress Kareena, Shahid started dating Kareena's arch-rival Priyanka Chopra. PC and Shahid met on the sets of Kamine and started dating each other. Their relationship was a roller coaster rider for them. The couple went through many rough patches, and after several breakups, they finally decided to end their relationship. Let us find out in this video why this hot couple of Bollywood ended their relationship. Shahid Kapoor always had hard luck in the matter of dating Bollywood actresses. Shahid and Priyanka were head over heels in love with each other since the time of Kamine. They even moved in together and were having a live-in relationship. The IT department even caught Shahid at Priyanka's house, which confirmed their live-in relationship. Then why did they end their relationship at all? Well, Shahid maintained a silence over their relationship many years, but Priyanka has always been vocal about her relationships. The global icon once revealed that it was because of Shahid's controlling nature she had to leave the actor. Priyanka has said that Shahid wanted Priyanka to follow the path of spirituality, but PC was never into those things. And as Priyanka did not listen to Shahid, the actor became angry on her and stopped talking with her. As Shahid is a vegan, he also wanted Priyanka to turn herself into a vegan too, which was impossible for her. Shahid wanted Priyanka to publicly accept their relationship, but the actress always wanted to hide her personal life from the media. This made Shahid furious, and he even yelled at the actress on screen at Karan Johar's chat show. Priyanka has even revealed that Shahid did not have time for her while shooting for a movie. Shahid got too much involved with his ongoing project that he did not talk days with Priyanka, and that was difficult for PC. They had lots of fights, and after one fight, when Shahid stopped talking with her and left her, PC even went to his house, but he denied to meet her. Being insulted, Priyanka then decided to end their relationship. Well, this was PC's side of story. According to Shahid Kapoor, it was him who left Priyanka, and that was because of her infidelity. Yes, Shahid claims that Priyanka cheated on him. Shahid asked their common friends about Priyanka's whereabouts those days, as it appeared suspicious to him. Shahid was informed by a person from their same building about Priyanka's infidelity, and that broke Shahid's heart badly. Without even confronting the actress, Shahid walked out of the relationship. The actor even confirmed this news on Karan Johar's chat show that PC cheated him, and added that his relationship with her was a brief one. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.